Hi everyone! In this video you will learn how to win more capture matches in COD Warzone Mobile. Well, to do that, communicate with teammates, coordinate strategies, call out enemy positions, and work together to capture and defend objectives. Prioritize objectives. Focus on capturing and holding objectives to accumulate points and secure the win. Understand map layout. Learn the layout of the map to identify key locations for capturing objectives and defending them. Use loadout strategically. Equip loadouts that suits both offensive and defensive roles depending on the situations. Rotate defenders. Assign teammates to rotate between capturing objectives and defending them to maintain control. Clear enemies from objectives. Clear enemies from objectives before attempting to capture them to avoid disruptions. Coordinate equip use. Use tactical equipment like smoke grenades or stun grenades to assist in capturing or defending objectives. Watch flanks. Be vigilant of flanking routes that enemies may use to bypass defenses and capture objectives. Adapt to enemy tactics. Adjust your strategy based on how the enemy team is approaching the objectives. Use score streaks wisely. Deploy score streaks like UAVs or counter UAVs to gain intel on enemy movements and assist in capturing objectives. Defend strategically. Position defenders strategically around objectives to cover multiple angles and prevent enemy capturing. Communicate enemy movement. Call out enemy movements to your team to coordinate defensive or offensive actions. Stay mobile. Move dynamically between objectives to maintain map control and respond to changing circumstances. Use vehicles. Utilize vehicles to quickly transport teammates to objectives or to secure objectives under heavy enemy fire. And that's how to win more capture matches in Call of Duty Warzone Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.